Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Backyard Fireworks. Hope everybody's having a great and wonderful day. And I hope everybody had a great and wonderful 4th. Yeah, my 4th was great. I lit so many fun fireworks off, and everything went as planned. And I hope everything did with you guys is too. But today, we're going to be lighting some fireworks after the 4th of July. And we got some of the classics here. We also got some of my favorites. We got all sorts of unique fireworks. But yeah, literally jumping into it, we'll start with like some wild cards and some fountains. And yeah, Wildcard, I got this for so cheap. It is a great firework too. We got Totally Circus, another amazing, fantastic fountain. We got Happiness, which is one of my favorite fountains. It's an old school one. We got Purple Poise. We're actually gonna light 2 of those off at the same time. We have Spiderweb. This is actually a daytime firework. You can see the effect, colorful streamers falling from the sky. Golden Peacock. We got some cool little helicopters here, and then we got some bigger cakes as well. We got Detonator, which is an absolute classic cake. Big breaks. You can see 12 shots. Gigantic breaks. We also have a 25-shot American Thunder cake, a fan cake that goes across the sky. We got some shells as well, and then we got this unique firework called Jungle Jets by T-Sky. But yeah, guys, once it gets a little bit darker, we're gonna light all these off, but we're gonna start with this daytime firework. All right, here we go with Spiderweb, daytime firework. I have no idea what to expect. Whoa. Okay, it is literally confetti. It's exactly like it says. Okay, before we really got going on the show and before it gets really dark, I want to light some of these ball shells. I got 3 of them to light, and I'm really curious what these are going to look like. I think they're willows, maybe, if I'm not mistaken. Blew up really quick. That was bizarre. It like exploded immediately. Like it didn't even go up high at all. I'm curious if that's what it does. I don't think it's supposed to. We'll see though. Yeah. There it goes. That one was the complete opposite. That took a long time to get up there. Here's the confetti from that firework. There is a lot of it too. I did not expect there to be that much confetti packed in that little tube. All right, here we go with this last ball shell. Then we are going to move into some of the fountains and then eventually some of those big, big cakes. Those little willows are so pretty. Gosh, it is so bright on camera compared to what it looks like in person. It is 9:03. And I am telling you, it is dark, but it looks so bright on camera. All right, we got 2 helicopters here going up in the air. Uh-oh. That one's trying. There it goes. Oh man, it's still going way up there. That's so weird why that one didn't go up. All right, here we go with the 2 purple fountains. I mean, there is no wind tonight. It is wild. Just got it. There's those cool, pretty purple effects. So pretty. Nice. Oh! A good crackle. Really nice crackle. I know this next one's not the biggest, but I have to light a Happiness fountain. It's just so iconic for me. I love it so much. Such a simple firework, but I love it. The next fountain we got is this micro burst fountain. It's pretty darn big, so expecting cool things with this. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. That is a microburst. Oh, wow. Is that it? Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't the biggest fan of microburst. This came in a 4-pack, and I'm not even sure if it went off because, I mean, that was kind of pathetic. But here we go with Jungle Jets. There they all go. Oh, that's so cool. That is such a fun firework. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that thing is pretty darn cool. I absolutely love that firework. That's a newer firework too. I haven't seen that honestly up until the last like 2 years, but here we go with an absolute epic fountain. Totally Circus by Brothers Fireworks. For how small this is, man oh man, is it pack a punch for a fountain. This is amazing. And the crackle. Woo! Oh, yeah. Yeah. Heck yeah, that's amazing. All right, here we go with Golden Peacock, 16 shots by Brothers Fireworks. Nice. That was a beautiful kick. I like the green. All right, here goes Wildcard, an absolute classic 200-gram cake. "49 shots. Look, it's even got a mine at the bottom. Nice, that's a minute long. Okay, so I think we're gonna go with American Thunder and then finish it off with a bang with Detonator. All right, it's time to light up this guy with American Thunder by Detonator. Here we go. Wow. Oh my gosh, that crackle is insane. All right, here we go with Detonator. This is actually one of my first times lighting this off, but I know it's a classic because I've seen it at firework tents my whole life. But here we go. I'm so excited to light this. I think it's got very big breaks. Oh, I slipped. Oh no. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Those brakes are so big, guys. Oh my gosh.
This is like a no-ebb. The 12 shots. Wow. That might be one of my new favorite 500 grams.
That cake was awesome. That actually might be one of my new favorites. It was like a no-ebb, honestly. The breaks were just as deep and dang near as big, but it was 12 shots. Amazing. 10 out of 10 cake. But yeah, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button. I upload all the time, and I love creating new content for everybody. Hope everybody had a great, safe, and fun 4th, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.